Hi, I'm Gina Salazar. Welcome back to the Better Arizona Show. When was the last time you visited your dentist? If you're like many Americans, it may have been as many as 10 years. That's because a lot of people prefer to avoid the dentist at all costs. Today we've invited Dr. Kevin Gasser here. He is the president of Gasser Dental Corporation to talk to us a little bit about dental avoidance and how we can overcome that fear that many people have of the dentist. Welcome, Dr. Gasser.
Thank you.
So, Dr. Gasser, tell me a little bit about the people that are dental avoiders. How would you describe them?
Well, first of all, as you put it, they simply avoid the dentist, but you might be surprised how many people in the United States avoid the dentist. 50% of the population,
oh my gosh,
never go for regular dental care. Most of them, it's been longer than 10 years, and a large percentage of them for decades. We've seen people in our office from 20 to 30 to 40 years, they haven't been to the dentist.
That is amazing. So why does this happen? Why do they avoid the dentist?
Well, you know, the most common answers that we hear about are things like fear, of course, and cost. Now, fear is false evidence appearing real. We can overcome fear. We can use technology. We can use sedation. And the cost factor can be overcome as well. There's all kinds of options, especially in dental implants, and flexible financial plans. So really there's other more important reasons beyond those two most common ones.
What are some of the other reasons that people avoid it? Because this is a big problem.
It's a very big problem. That's a lot of people suffering a lot of complications. Really, you'd be surprised. The first thing is that the studies indicate that people are as fearful of the process of finding a new dentist as they are going to the actual visit. Wow. That whole process is very difficult for them. We're going to try and help them with that. The other is just human nature, Gina. I mean, let's face it, it's avoidance and denial is a very natural human trait. We tend to not do the things we really should for ourselves sometimes.
Oh, yeah.
And the last reason, I think maybe the most important, is that these folks haven't come to understand the value that dental implants can provide, the transformation that can occur in their lives. We call ourselves a full solutions provider, first of all, which means we can offer the sedation, the surgery, the implant teeth, and even the basic dental services in one office by one dentist. So it's really a one-stop shop. And we're a leading provider of the all-on-4 procedures, so we have the experience. And that's why we offer what we do to transform people's lives. I want dental avoiders to understand two things. The first is that amazing dental implant procedures like the all-on-4 where we provide permanently anchored implant teeth in a day, can totally transform a person's life, their appearance, their health, their overall quality of life in a very short, quick period of time. So it's transformational to their lifestyle. The second is we welcome the avoiders. We want them to come in. Having 30 years in practice now, most of my all-on-4 dental implant patients were dental avoiders. So we're happy to invite them to come in and transform their life.
And you really do. Now, Dr. Gasser, you have a special offer for our Better Arizona viewers, right?
We do. We want them to know we offer a free consultation and a free dental CAT scan that's normally $475. So it's a great opportunity for them to come in and find out how they can change their life for the better.
Well, Dr. Gasser, thanks so much for being here today.
Thank you.
The Better Arizona Show will be right back.